morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 3 science teacher. First of all, open up page number 149, testing zone. Question number 1, tick the correct answer. Number A, aeroplanes do not fly in dash weather. Answer is stormy. Number B, we use umbrellas on a dash day, rainy. Number C, dash pollution is caused due to the burning of wood, air. Number D, dash is added to water to purify it, chlorine. You have to do these questions. Answer number 2, answer the following question in your copies. Do it in your copies. I am sharing the answers. Question number A, name 2 ways to prevent air pollution. The answer is on page number, open up page number 142. Answer A is on page number 142. You can see air pollution can be controlled or prevented if we avoid burning waste in the open, as this releases a lot of smoke into the atmosphere. Then from here, we should also plant more trees that produce and release more oxygen into the air. This is answer number A, page number 142. Now come to again to the questions. Question number 2. How does the weather affect our lives? How does the weather affect our lives? The answer is not given in very good way, but we have to make the answer along with ourselves. And the question is, how does the weather affect our lives? The answer is, you can see it from here. It is not safe to travel when the weather is stormy. The first part is this of this answer. How does the weather affect our lives? The first part is, it is not safe to travel when the weather is stormy. And second point is that we do not go out in a very hot and sunny weather. So these are the 2 points, that how does the weather affect our lives. Then come to question number C. How is water vapor converted into water? Now you come to page number let's see, come to page number, yes, come to page number 143. 143, answer number C is here. Water vapor rises up in the sky and condenses to form water droplets as the temperature is low. So this is answer number C. Water vapor rises up in the sky and condenses to form water droplets as the temperature is low. This is answer number C. Now come back to the question, page number 149. List the 2 causes of water pollution. Now again go back to page number 144. The 2 causes of water pollution is, the first cause is number 1, that throwing garbage into the water. The first point is, what are the 2 causes of water pollution? The first is throwing garbage or releasing sewage water into water. This is one cause of water pollution. Secondly is that washing or bathing near water sources is another cause of water pollution. So you write 2 causes of water pollution. One is that throwing garbage or releasing sewage water into water, number 1, and number 2, that washing or bathing near water sources is another cause of water pollution. So these all 4 questions and their answers are discussed. So page number 149, do the question number 2, A, B, C, D in your copies. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.